Okay, welcome to another live stream. In this live stream, I will continue to work on the last use case that I was working on, where I was trying to build real life use cases with Checkout UI extensions. So let's continue on it. So I'll open up VS Code. So I'll open this up, and last time I was experimenting with the buyer journey intercept function, but yeah, no need to build that, as one of my subscribers, I think his name is Krishna from Indonesia. Is that right? Yeah, so he suggested that I work on a requirement where I would show pickup locations for particular checkout, and selecting a particular address would make the shipping address field populate with that selected address. So let's build that, and yeah. Okay, so sup Brent, good to see you back. How did you know though? I didn't say it on DRCC channel. Did you get a notification or something? Okay, so then in checkout.js, let me remove buyer journey. Let's go. Let me also put that on. Okay, so let's continue. Can block progress. So we won't be calling the anymore. So for custom selections, there was a what is it? Checkout. Checkout UI extension targets, or was it components? How you doing, Vint? How's it going for you these days? There it is, choice list. So if we initialize a selections constant, mbin folk chat. Okay, that's a passion project for you, is it? Or is it like, do you actively develop on that? Most likely gone, but I mean it's backwards compatible, so no problem there. Okay, constant selections. So in this example, this selections object is taken from, for an example, from an API. So for now I will initialize that as an array of particular locations, but later I will change that logic to be fetched from the backend. So we will do this. Okay, so I will do name pickup location 1, address, first location address, address 2 would be second location address. All right. Okay. Cool. City, I would do first city. State, I would do yeah, I suppose, yeah, true. First state. Oh, I'm sorry, not address. Country. Country. Ooh, I think I have to do Canada. And let's do zip. Zip code would be 234. Okay, let's see what happens. So then I will copy this object pattern into these three as well, and inside this, whichever position I say first, I would say second, first location address 2, then wherever it says first, I would say third. Yeah, so this will be our selections address selections array. So then let's remove these two lines. Oh, there is an on change. Okay, nice. So then I will do this choice list. So choice list has to come from extension panel. Name, value, created block stack, undefined, root component, create component choice, ID, first. Okay, for where I in address selections, where components array equals new array dot push. Okay, let's do ID as well. ID, I will do first. second, third. ID address selections dot ID, that would be address selections dot I dot name. So in this array, this will just be components are, yeah. Now this choice list variable has to be put somewhere. So at the end, okay. So on change, let's also, actually nah, I don't need to alert it. How's everyone at your home went? So then line stack, yeah, this should work. So if I just do npm run dev, let me also log into my partner's account. Okay, so let's open up inspect element. On change with value second, on change value third. Okay. You could be Malak. Okay, so this is working. Pickup. Okay, fine. So now if I, you can be Malak. Even if the sky is falling down. How's the video quality and sound went? Is it all good? Okay, so here I will do var I should do this in a way that, can I do this one, or should I do first? Second. Third. Yeah, this way. So then when this value variable comes with, so I can just do constant address selections, oh sorry, address selection equals address selections value console log address selection. This will do it, isn't it? There we go. Cool. All right, so it does not matter what this structure is, as long as I follow this ID and name thing. Oh, by the way, my another plan with this video is to introduce WebSockets into the mixture, because one of the Discord servers that I follow on Shopify devs somewhere was saying that if we can put WebSockets into Shopify Checkout UI Extensions, then we would know exactly when the checkout was abandoned, if it was converted or not, and etc. So I'll be attempting that as well today. Yeah, Eka Krishna, that's the man. Let's clean this up a little. So I would do function do action on change value address selections API, and let's copy this, paste here, do action on change value address selections API. But what does the name choice do? Shipping address. Equals okay, let's make sure we didn't break anything yet. could be my love. Even if the sky is falling down like the sun, I can lift you up. I can show you what you want to see and take you where you want to be. Awesome. So this does work. Cool. Let's remove this. The last thing would be to choice list. Can we put anything called so what's inline stack here? Can we do this? Let's see. Oh, text field. Oh, sorry. Should be label or something, isn't it? Date field, date picker, constant checkbox, select stepper. Choice list. Okay, so let's search block stack. Oh, I can just, okay, nice. So I can't believe I have to go back and forth like this. UI components. Oh, there we go. Root. I could show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sun is falling down, I know and sound. Was safe and sound. Here we go. So please select a pickup location. Can I do a like a background card kind of thing? Okay, popover might be a thing that we can look at. Okay, cool. Later, I guess. Please select. So if I pass null here, null, not null, undefined. But why is it saying pickup location 1 for each one? Oh, I'm sorry. 2, 3. Yeah, now it says correctly. Okay. So should I API.use something that was like Hmm. Yeah, no problem. No problem, Mint. I've been a little. Come on, man. Please work. Update shipping address. Okay. Do you see there's so many, like, the console is almost full. What? Um. Yeah, actually, I use Brave browser. That's why I think. Shopify Checkout UI Extension. They explain nothing in these things. Purchased on purchase checkout extension targets. What's mine? One of the subscribers of mine did this. Eka Krishna, where are you? What's mind test? Nah. One of my subscribers, the thing that I'm working on right now, which is taking this shipping address box. Yeah, so taking this shipping address box, if you select anything, then it type string with value. Thing is, I will figure it out somehow, but yeah, missing address property value. Address would be address selection dot address. Should I send the whole address selection itself? Let's see what happens. Oh, shut up, man. What do you know? It worked. Country, region, I don't think so. Country, I passed Canada. Enter a valid zip postal code for India. Ooh, okay, so the pin codes have to be valid. Okay, nice. Okay, so constant result equals this, and if I do console log result, okay, so maybe it's a await function thing. So now that it has to be await. Wait, do you understand like the JavaScript async await thing? Like, do you have enough grasp on it? No, I was asking that do you have enough grasp on the JavaScript's async and await functionality? Do you understand these like properly? Can you harness the power of async await? You do? Okay. Do I have to do this await function? Okay, async. Yeah. Here it is async as well. So now it says on change async value. Oh wait, do action on change. So now this will actually wait. And if I do try catch, let's see if I can catch something in try catch, because yeah, I mean, it is a very specific requirement. I don't know if you are familiar with Shopify, but what they did was, so in the checkout page, which every shop has to have, like obviously, so before you can actually put your information and hit submit button, what some stores do is they need customizations on it. Like, I want to be able to detect this thing or that thing. So previously what they did is you could go into the theme editor of the shop and you can put any JavaScript that you want. But now Shopify is saying no, we can't allow that. So it is standardized a little. So even though for you it may look like a simple checkbox here and couple things happening here, but in the code these are very specific components that have been defined by Shopify that you have to read and understand, and like root and create component text. So see, please select a pickup location, such a simple text, right? But I can't just do dollar class name dot append html like jQuery function. I can't do that. So I have to use root create component text undefined. It's basically a language within its own language. They have complicated it. So you have a very specific set of tools to work with, and you can only use those. That's why it looks a little wonky. I mean, kind of. So if you go to the documentation, you will see that everything has two examples. So there is React and there is JavaScript. I use JavaScript because obviously I'm a pleb, but React devs, they use the React one. And do you know Shopify also now supports Rust as a integrated programming language? Not gonna lie, I got a little motivated to learn Rust because of that. Console in catch block. You can use simple JavaScript. I mean, it's not, but very specifically you have to use console log error message. Now let's see what happens. Nice. So we are able to catch the result, and if it contains any errors, then we can. But it is so instead of state, what should it say? Should it it says zone, but I don't think it should be called zone. So if I go to What's up, dude? Is it shipping lines or is it I don't know how you pronounce your name, Loic. Sorry if I mispronounce. Um, Let me just put Times Square. Now if I do .json, here we go. So it should say province. Okay. Just to catch you up to speed, so what I'm working on right now is on the Shopify checkout page, you should be able to have a pickup location kind of thing, where if you change the pickup location by its selection, then it will update the what is this address field basically. So what is first name and last name? First name, last name. Okay, so let me also change first name. It's Shopify's standard, like in the JSON of these are like test data, you can say. So Shopify, this is hosted by Shopify, and it is their data structure that they put first name and last name. So I have to do this. Basically I have to match my own JSON with Shopify's. Yeah. Address to, so what do they call address to? Okay. Province code, city and zip. Okay, fine. What happened here? Oh, I'm sorry. So along with first name I have to do here we go. So if I do the primary address is not changing. Oh, it's called address 1. Okay. If result dot errors and result dot errors dot length. How are we getting the errors right now? If result dot type equals error, okay, results dot type equals error, and result errors dot length, fine. Then zero index has a field and a message, okay. Where error messages equals new array for where I in result dot errors. Why do I even need to put it in array? I can just do a blank string. Is that background noise bothering you? Result errors. Error messages plus equals result dot errors I dot message plus console.log error messages. Yeah, this should work. Yeah, here we get enter a valid zip postal code for India. Country is not changing as well. So what is, oh, is it country code? Okay. So country code and province code also have to be part of country code. If I put CA, province code, let me put, what is province code for anything? Okay, let's put AB. Let's put AB. AB, BC and MB. AB, BC, MB. Oh, now it's switched. Alright. So what does this say? Enter a valid zip postal code Canada. Awesome. So now that we have this, I think we are complete with this solution. Shopify, if you are listening, please write better documentation. It's almost like a, here it says key type and value, and in no way I can understand this translates over what I have written here, which is address and type. It basically, it's trial and error. That's how I'm finding out these things. Okay, so now we are done with our first requirement. Let's do our second requirement, which is WebSockets in Checkout UI Extensions. That will really give us control over what we can do with Checkout UI Extensions. And the reason I'm doing this is because there is not much documentation or examples out there. So it is my USP as a YouTuber, you can say, that I cover examples and I cover use cases that most people aren't. Not even most people. I don't think there's anybody in this space who's covering requirements in Checkout UI Extensions. Do you play any games, Mint? Or these days, are you playing anything? Shutting down dev. Cool. Vint, you said promises rule, but they do rule by making you cry more often than not. I kind of missed when you said this. You have no idea how many times I've been stuck with promises where it would just say promise pending, and I would have no idea why it's saying promise pending and where to put await. Or it usually goes you assume like a single thread application where everything is synchronous, and one of the functions will always be configured in an await async environment. You put one await there, and as a result you have to travel all the way back and see where your code exactly is getting called, and you would have to put async await in all of the previous examples that you would have to do. Only then it works. So it's just my assumption these days when I write code in Node.js that start with async anyway. Don't assume that you can be able to use synchronous operations. Open folder. Nah, I don't think. My chat application will come in handy this time. Express chat app. So now we can do this where see, there's this problem that I have. They have named it lines, and it says a list of lines containing information about the items the customer intends to purchase. Should have called it products or items or something, but no, lines. Come on, Shopify. Um, Anyone here in chat? Do you have any questions? Do you want to say something? Oh, there is no one. Yes, Syed. Tell me. Weird. Socket on. Update text. Yes, Syed. Go on. बताइए क्या सीखना है आपको. I want to create a product to Shopify API with Laravel. मैंने एक वीडियो में कवर कर रखा है इसको. मैं आपको लिंक भेज देता हूँ. ये रहा. मैं 1 सेकंड में आता हूँ, ठीक है. अरे सर मत बोलो यार. Let me come back 1 sec. Sorry guys, there was a parcel. Syed, you can watch the video, right? It is used with GraphQL API. That's the only problem you will face. Otherwise, it should be fine. समझ में नहीं आया क्योंकि मैंने REST API पे प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट मैंने कवर नहीं किया हुआ है, लेकिन मैंने ऑर्डर क्रिएट कवर किया हुआ है. मतलब प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे है? आपको पेलोड में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है कि आपको थोड़ा डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हो कि आपको एग्जैक्ट प्रॉब्लम क्या है? लारावल में मैंने एक पूरा का पूरा वो शेयर किया है ना आपको, क्या कहते हैं, विथ इन्वेंट्री इवन, ये वाले वीडियो में जहाँ. हाँ, ये देखिए पूरा का पूरा क्रिएट अ प्रोडक्ट और फॉर्म के साथ मैंने आपको दिया हुआ है. तो ये तो मतलब कोई दिक्कत तो होना नहीं चाहिए आइडियली, है ना. So in extensions checkouts, should I create a new folder called Backend? कहाँ पे दिक्कत आई आपको, आप बताइए, मैं बता देता हूँ. package name checkout backend version 1 acts as a Node.js server running socket.io in the post real time entry point correct index.js as command nothing git repository nothing author मुझे इसका एग्जैक्ट वेब PHP और कंट्रोलर कोड दिखा सकते हैं क्या? मुझे को समझना है. मैंने गिटहब रिपोजिटरी मेरे गिटहब रिपोजिटरी की बात कर रहे हैं क्या आप? आप मुझे एक टाइम स्टैम्प बता सकते हो शायद जहाँ पर आपको एग्जैक्टली आपको जहाँ पे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, क्योंकि मैंने उस वाले वीडियो में अपना कोड का भी वॉक थ्रू दिया हुआ है, तो वो एक बार देख के बताइए मुझे कहाँ पर आपको क्या समझ में नहीं आया, तो वो मैं उस टाइम स्टैम्प पे मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूँगा. जैसे 4 मिनट 30 सेकंड पे जो आप बात कर रहे हो वो किस बारे में बात कर रहे हो वगैरह वगैरह, तो वो मैं बता दूँगा. एक सेकंड रुकिएगा, मैं आता हूँ. Sorry everyone, actually I'm getting a shoe delivered today, that's why I'm a little. अरे मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम कर रहा हूँ ना, तो मैं अपना एक चीज़ बना रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। आप मुझे टाइम स्टैम्प बताओ ना कि जैसे यूट्यूब में जहाँ पे टाइम स्टैम्प बता देता है, जैसे कोई भी वीडियो आप ओपन करो। सॉरी, मैं तो अपना ही अम, तो आप मुझे टाइम स्टैम्प बताओ ना, जैसे यहाँ पे 2 मिनट 16 सेकेंड्स है, तो वैसे मुझे बताओ कि कहाँ पे आपको दिक्कत आ रहा है, वो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा। बात है, मैं अब खुद का मतलब खुद का तो नहीं, मतलब एक एजेंडा से आया हूँ ना लाइव स्ट्रीम करने, तो मेरे को उस पर ही तो काम करना है अभी। या फिर आप मेरा गिटहब रिपोजिटरी देख लो, और जहाँ पे जिस लाइन पे आपको प्रॉब्लम हो तो वो आप बता देना। एनीवे, क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? कुकी पार्सर जॉइन पब्लिक, फाइन, यहाँ पे स्टैटिक की ज़रूरत नहीं है। और मुझे सर मत बताओ यार, सर मत बोलो, शायद मैं कोई पढ़ा थोड़ी रहा हूँ यहाँ पे बैठ के। मैं तो जस्ट एक यूट्यूबर हूँ। Server.get is not a function. Okay. Oh, come on. Um, शायद still here. बुरा तो नहीं मान गए? Not found. ओके 4:30 ओके। अरे यार ये एक बार मैं चला तो दूँ। I could show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You can be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know the moon is safe and sound. We're safe and sound. I can feel your cup. चलो 4:30।
For it and the compared price, but we only need the ID from it. So which is defined right here, but let's not get into it right now. Let me explain further. And there's another opening brace here, and inside this we have mentioned that for the
सो पब्लिश प्रोडक्ट फंक्शन वेब PHP में करके रखा हुआ है। तो प्रोडक्ट्स कंट्रोलर के अंदर जो आपका पब्लिश प्रोडक्ट है वो कुछ ऐसे बना हुआ है कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे आपको दिखाऊँ, तो राउट्स वेब ये देखिए, तो यहाँ पे एक राउट पोस्ट राउट डिफ़ाइन किया हुआ है लाइन नंबर 79 पे, जहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट कंट्रोलर की पब्लिश प्रोडक्ट फंक्शन कॉल हो रही है। और उसके बाद यहाँ पे हो ना, तो उसमें क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं, प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट का एक म्यूटेशन बना रहा हूँ। तो शॉपिफाई पे अगर आप GraphQL API में प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट म्यूटेशन सर्च करेंगे तो उसमें आपको मिल जाएगा ये चीज़। और गेट GraphQL पेलोड फॉर प्रोडक्ट पब्लिश, ये इसलिए मैंने ऑफसेट कर दिया है एक दूसरे फंक्शन में, ताकि आपको मतलब समझ में आए कि यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा स्ट्रिंग आपको खाली दिखे कि हाँ प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट है, उसके अंदर इनपुट है, उसके अंदर एक फंक्शन कॉल है, फिर प्रोडक्ट का ID वापस ले रहे हैं और यूज़र एरर्स में से फील्ड और मैसेज ले रहे हैं। जो ये वाला लाइन है प्रोडक्ट ID, इसका मतलब है कि जो प्रोडक्ट आपका API सक्सेसफुल होने के बाद जो क्रिएट होगा उसका ID आपको हैंड टू हैंड रिटर्न हो जाएगा। तो आप रिस्पॉन्स के अंदर से उस प्रोडक्ट की ID को एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हो और आप पता कर सकते हो कि हाँ ये मेरा क्रिएटेड प्रोडक्ट है। और यूज़र एरर्स जो फील्ड है, ये फील्ड है कि आपको फील्ड और मैसेज दो उसमें पैरामीटर पास होते हैं। तो फील्ड आपको बता देता है कि कौन सा एट्रीब्यूट में गलती है और मैसेज बता देता है कि कौन सा API में प्रॉब्लम हुआ है। तो वो पूरा का पूरा डिटेल आपको निकाल के दे देता है कि आपका जो फेल हुआ है API कॉल वो क्यों फेल हुआ, तो आपको उससे वो मिल जाता है। इसके बाद ये जो गेट GraphQL पेलोड का जो फंक्शन है ये मैं आगे एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ। तो हाँ, भेजने से पहले यहाँ पे म्यूटेशन बोल के एक बना देता हूँ, जिसके अंदर प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट म्यूटेशन जो ऊपर जो वेरिएबल डिफाइन किया है यही आ जाती है। इसके बाद GraphQL JSON का एक ही एंड पॉइंट होता है शॉपिफाई में, हमेशा आपको हमेशा GraphQL JSON ही हिट करना है, उसके अंदर स्टोर सेंड करना है। उसके बाद हेडर्स लेनी है। पेलोड क्रिएट करते वक्त आपको यही वाला म्यूटेशन उठा के इसमें डालना है, क्वेरी के अंदर, इंडेक्स के अंदर वो एक एरे होना चाहिए, एंड देन आप ये फंक्शन कॉल कर दोगे, और ये फंक्शन रिक्वेस्ट ट्रेट डॉट PHP में डिफाइंड है। और उसके बाद जो यहाँ पे चालू हो रहा है ये वाला फंक्शन का ऑब्जेक्टिव है खाली स्ट्रिंग रिटर्न करना। तो इसीलिए मैं यहाँ पे टेम्प बोल के एक एरे मैंने डिफाइन किया हुआ है, जिसके अंदर मैं अलग अलग तरह के स्ट्रिंग्स ले रहा हूँ बेस्ड ऑन इफ़ कंडीशंस, एंड लास्ट में मैंने इसको इम्प्लोड कर दिया, ताकि अगर एक एरे मेरा क्रिएट हुआ है तो उसको कंप्रेस कर सकूँ मैं एक सिंगल स्ट्रिंग के अंदर। तो वो मैंने करके यहाँ पे रिटर्न कर दिया। फिर सेम चीज़ यहाँ पे देखिए, इसके अंदर भी देखिए वेरिएंट्स एक एरे है जिसके अंदर मैंने गेट वेरिएंट GraphQL config फंक्शन कॉल किया है, और वो फंक्शन ठीक यहाँ पे डिफाइंड है। तो फंक्शंस की ना एक चेन बनी हुई है यहाँ पे, कि एक फंक्शन दूसरे फंक्शन को कॉल कर रहा है, वो तीसरे को कॉल कर रहा है, वो चौथे को कॉल कर रहा है, फिर वैल्यूज़ बैक भेजा जा रहा है। तो इस प्रोजेक्ट को आप सेटअप कर लो, एंड खाली आपको चेंज करना होगा ENV में आपका जो API की और API सीक्रेट होता है वो आपको चेंज करना होगा। बाकी मैंने एक लारावेल प्रोजेक्ट सेटअप बोल के भी एक फोल्डर मैंने बनाया हुआ है, मैंने लारावेल प्रोजेक्ट सेटअप। तो ये वाला जो वीडियो मैंने बनाया है, ये मैंने स्पेसिफिकली यहाँ पे दिखाया है कि आप कैसे एक मेरे वाले रिपॉजिटरी को क्लोन कर सकते हो और उसको सेटअप कर सकते हो। तो आप ये वाली वीडियो लीजिए और ये वाला वीडियो भी देख लीजिएगा। इससे आपको मतलब वो हो जाएगा कि कैसे क्लोन करना है और क्लोन करने के बाद सेटअप कैसे करना है। Okay guys, I think I will end this live stream here. 157 757. Okay, I'm sorry, I just got my shoe delivered. अरे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, शायद मैं हर सैटरडे संडे लाइव स्ट्रीम करता हूँ। तो अगर आपको कोई तरह की दिक्कत हो, कोई तरह का क्वेश्चन हो, तो आप डिस्कॉर्ड पे भी रीच कर सकते हो, या फिर आप लाइव स्ट्रीम पे ही आ जाओ, वहाँ पे भी आप पूछ सकते हो, है ना। तो उसका कोई चाप नहीं है। ओके गाइज, आई थिंक आई विल रैप दिस live stream here. It was a fun live stream. Thanks Vint for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.